Okay, so I want to fry my egg for bread. Let's see, do you guys like using egg to eat your bread? Let me know. So this is the egg. Why is it red? Because I've added some graciousness there. So yeah, once the oil is hot a little bit, then I just pour. Okay, now let's do this. Look at that, guys. And I just spread. Just give it some time. Woo. Can you see that? Actually, I put some tomatoes, blended tomatoes stew and all that. But in order not to allow it burn, I'm going to just spread it. Normally, I want it to be like sauce, right? So I just spread. How to make egg. When you see that, I mean, normally I'll put onions and all that, but yeah, there was onions in my soup. So I think it's done. I use this one to eat bread. Is this a pass or a fail, guys? Rate me, please. Well, anyways, I will enjoy it in my tummy. Catch you guys.